What does the warrior diet, which is based on the eating habits of ancient warriors, have to do with the 21st century? Surprisingly, it's gaining loads of popularity amongst people who want to lose weight. Today, we give you a comprehensive guide on how to do the warrior diet in 2 different ways, including the main rules you definitely shouldn't break. The warrior diet, or 24 intermittent fasting, was created by fitness and nutrition specialist Ori Hofmekler. Even though it's called fasting, it's basically a 20-hour undereating and 4-hour overeating phase. The principle of fasting during the warrior diet is based on not eating a full meal during the day and feasting at night. There are 2 options on how to follow the warrior diet. Option number 1, follow the 3-phase plan. Option number 2, undereat and overeat without sticking to a 3-phase plan. Today, we will talk about how to follow both options. But let's start with an initial 3-phase plan and see how to do it step by step. Phase 1, or week 1, detox. This phase helps detox your body for maximum fat burning. During this week, you should eliminate animal protein except for certain dairy foods and eggs. Undereating starts when you wake up and lasts until evening. You can consume a small number of foods you can see on this list. You can drink water and sugarless coffee or tea with a little bit of milk throughout the day in all phases of this diet. During the overeating phase, which is a 4-hour eating window, you can eat bigger portions of food. Stick to healthier choices you can see on this list. Eat the first serving of food and then take a 20-minute break. It allows you to respond to your body's satiety signals indicating whether you're full. If you're still hungry, then eat more of the recommended foods. Phase 2, or week 2, increasing your fat intake. This phase improves the body's ability to utilize fat for energy. You continue undereating for 20 hours a day, eating the same foods we listed before on week 1. During the overeating phase, you also stick to the same meal as in week 1, but there are 3 changes. Firstly, you replace beans and legumes with lean animal protein such as meat and fish. Secondly, you eat 1 to 3 handfuls of nuts, such as almonds, pecans, and walnuts. Thirdly, you can't eat grains or starches during Phase 2. Phase 3, or week 3, alternating phase. This phase maximizes fat loss. During this week, you will have 1 to 2 high-carb days, followed by 1 to 2 high-protein and low-carb days. Then you rinse and repeat. On high-carb days, follow the regular undereating schedule. During your eating window, in addition to the food you were consuming during week 2, eat 1 main carb of your choice. You can choose one from this list. On high-protein days, undereat as normal. When your eating window begins, eat a salad with oil and vinegar, and then up to 450 grams of animal protein and non-starchy vegetables. During this phase, do not eat grains or starches. That's how your 3 weeks with the warrior diet should look like. But what happens after these 3 weeks? There are 3 options. Option number 1, you can repeat all the phases all over again. Option number 2, you can stick to the 3rd phase. Option number 3, you can undereat and overeat without sticking to these specific phases. Let's see how option number 3 works and what rules you should follow. To make it more clear, let's see how undereating and overeating concepts should look like. The undereating phase is built on the principle of controlled 20-hour fasting. Ori Hofmekler excludes these undereating goals. Burn fat. Detoxify and cleanse. Manipulate your hormones to reach maximum metabolic efficiency. During this phase, you can only consume these specific foods and drinks. Living foods. These include fresh, raw fruits and vegetables. It's best to eat light, low-glycemic fruits. The perfect option is all kinds of berries. Also, you're welcome to consume apples, pears, tropical fruits like papayas, mangoes, kiwis, oranges. What about vegetables? You can eat any variety as long as it's fresh and raw. Freshly squeezed fruit and vegetable juices, only not pre-made. Water, sugarless coffee, or tea with a little bit of milk. You can consume these drinks in all warrior diet phases. Protein. You can also eat a little protein. It includes eggs, chicken or turkey breast, fish, plain yogurt or kefir, cottage cheese. Just don't mix proteins and limit the amount to no more than 6 ounces. Carbs are not allowed during the undereating phase. Keep in mind that undereating does not mean starvation. Here, you control your hunger by consuming food every few hours. But what about the overeating phase? Well, after the undereating phase, your body is ready to consume larger meals without gaining body fat. The overeating principles are based on 3 rules of eating. Rule number 1, Always start with subtle tasting foods, such as veggies, and move to the more aggressive foods, such as protein and carbs. Rule number 2. Include as many tastes, textures, colors, and aromas as possible in your main meal. Rule number 3. Stop eating when you feel much more thirsty than hungry. Now, the main question, what to eat during the overeating phase? To make it easier for you, we made this food list. You can eat as much as you want from this list as long as you follow these rules. 1. Start with leafy green vegetables. 2. Continue with protein, cooked vegetables, and fat. 3. Finish with carbs. However, Ori Hofmekler himself acknowledges that the warrior diet is based on his own beliefs and observations, but not strictly on science. We strongly recommend taking various nutritional supplements such as multivitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Also, you must consult your doctor and dietitian before starting this or any other diet. Watch the next videos on how intermittent fasting affects your weight loss and how to lose weight without dieting.